So I have worked in this building for 16 years, and I have always taught in our specialized ESE program. And we have worked for several years to try to get different items on our playground to make it more accessible for all kids. I had just found that, yeah, we may have had an adaptive swing last year, but it was on wood chips. Well, we couldn't get wheelchairs to the wood through the wood chips, or we had kids who have some vision deficits, and the higher up playground that was really high and you had to go felt very unsafe for them. We have kiddos with high sensory needs, and so this company that we went with has their own sensory pod.
So the students that helped give input, they were able to look at our different design options, and they were able to say, hey, I really like this element in this one, and we really tried to find a playground that would meet kindergarten needs all the way up through 5th graders.
I think the majority of the kindergartners, they are on the playground the whole time. Very seldom do they come up to the green top as of right now, and so it just really has kept their interest, and they have just enjoyed being able to run, and it's just more applicable to run and not always have to climb, so definitely for different abilities.
From my own child, he loves it. He thinks that everything about it is wonderful, and he's a 4th grader. So even the older kids, they're really excited.
We have the communication board for the kids who still have some articulation deficits and we can't always understand them. We have Braille for our students who have visual impairments, so they can know what all the areas on the playground are.
We have things in the playground that spin. There are pieces where there's musical components.
My favorite activity is probably spider web. I get to climb a lot, and I don't really get to do that at my house.
It's so hard to put into words. Just all the kids, when they saw it, were just all, just eyes lit up. But in particularly, some of those kids that knew, a certain kid couldn't access that. Like, they ran and told them, like, hey.
It's different because it's a lot bigger, and there's like a big web, and I like that it's easier for like people that can't really walk, so say they're in a wheelchair.
My favorite part is that I can actually get on the playground more easily too, because I can just walk on there instead of climbing, so like just to kind of be there and be in the action with them as well.
I like it because our last playground didn't have a lot, and this one's much better, so that way you can play more things with people.
This has allowed for us to have a true all-inclusive playground, and I think it gives all of our kids, it gained them the mobility and the freedom to just play.